Nigeria don't finish. You see for this country. Oh, we don't finish for this country. Go down and watch this video to the end. If you watch and finish, come tell me whether banditry go stop for Nigeria. Chai. Owagugo. Even bandits get helicopter. Don't worry, you will see at the end of this video. You will see people will come outside from this helicopter. Make you see people they sponsor all these bandits for Nigeria. Watch for yourself. Make you understand, say Nigeria don't finish. Even our politicians don't do anything. And they are not ready to do anything, sir. These people, they are doing business. They are doing business. Their business they do. See helicopter. See people. And this president there now, nobody come tell and say, hey, stop, hey, why are you there? This and that. Nobody, no confrontation. Nobody confronts them. After they will still fly this helicopter for months. All these bandits with the unalike. See their sponsor now. See their sponsor. They're not going to end anytime soon. They're not going to end anytime soon. Joy. Why we now? Why we? Why we? Take it. Nigerian security be like their hand even they tight. I don't even understand who they control them. Whether na this white people that they control Nigerian security. I mean our president that they control Nigerian security. Nobody even know. I mean they don't say the country. Now wow. I think they don't say this country, we don't know.